Welcome to our channel. Join us as we journey through the shadows of history, exploring 10 abandoned buildings with chilling and haunting tales to tell. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Eastern State Penitentiary, Philadelphia, USA. Eastern State Penitentiary, located in Philadelphia, USA, is a historic and hauntingly captivating site with a dark past. Built in the early 19th century, it was a groundbreaking prison known for its innovative system of solitary confinement. Inmates were kept in isolation in small cells, their faces hidden from each other and the outside world, intended as a form of rehabilitation through reflection and penitence. However, this noble experiment had grim consequences. The prison's strict conditions and prolonged solitary confinement took a severe toll on inmates' mental health. Over time, Eastern State Penitentiary became synonymous with suffering, madness, and despair. 2. Chernobyl Exclusion Zone, Ukraine. The Chernobyl Exclusion Zone in Ukraine is a haunting and desolate area that bears witness to one of the most catastrophic nuclear disasters in history. In 1986, the Chernobyl nuclear power plant suffered a catastrophic reactor meltdown, releasing massive amounts of radioactive materials into the atmosphere. As a result, the nearby town of Pripyat, along with several surrounding villages, was evacuated and abandoned, becoming ghost towns frozen in time. Today, the exclusion zone spans a radius of 30 kilometers around the reactor, and it remains largely off-limits to human habitation due to high radiation levels. The landscape is eerily marked by abandoned buildings, including schools, hospitals, and apartment complexes. The iconic Pripyat amusement park, with its rusting Ferris wheel, stands as a haunting symbol of the sudden evacuation. 3. Waverly Hills Sanatorium, Louisville, USA. Waverly Hills Sanatorium, located in Louisville, USA, is a chilling and infamous abandoned facility with a grim history. Originally constructed as a tuberculosis hospital in the early 20th century, it gained notoriety for its high death toll during the tuberculosis epidemic. Patients endured grueling treatments and isolation in an attempt to contain the disease's spread, resulting in a reputation for suffering and despair. Over the years, numerous stories and urban legends have emerged about the sanatorium's paranormal activity, with claims of ghostly apparitions, eerie sounds, and unexplained phenomena. It is said to be haunted by the restless spirits of patients who met tragic fates within its walls. 4. Bod Ghost Town, California, USA. Bod Ghost Town, nestled in the high desert of California, is a remarkably preserved and eerie testament to the gold rush era of the late 1800s. Once a bustling gold mining town, Bod's fortunes dwindled as the gold ran out, leading to its eventual abandonment. Today, it stands as a hauntingly frozen tableau of the past, with well-preserved buildings, abandoned homes, and remnants of a bygone era. The town's structures appear almost as if the residents suddenly vanished, leaving behind their belongings and daily lives. Bod Ghost Town is known for its authentic, untouched atmosphere, making it a captivating destination for history enthusiasts, photographers, and those intrigued by the mystique of the American West. Many visitors have reported an eerie sense of stepping back in time, while others believe the town is haunted by the spirits of its former residents, adding to its eerie allure. 5. Plia Island, Italy. Plia Island, situated in the Venetian lagoon of Italy, is notorious for its dark and disturbing history, earning it the sinister reputation of the Island of Madness. Throughout its past, the island has served various ominous purposes, including being a quarantine station for plague victims during the Middle Ages and housing a mental hospital in the 20th century. During the height of the Black Death in the 14th century, Plia became a place of isolation and death, with countless victims buried in mass graves. Centuries later, in the 1920s, the island was home to a mental institution where patients reportedly endured horrific treatments and abuse. The sinister stories surrounding the place have fueled tales of hauntings and curses, making it a magnet for paranormal enthusiasts and adventurers. 6. Belet's Heilstätten Hospital, Germany. Belet's Heilstätten Hospital, located in Germany, is a sprawling and haunting complex that was once a renowned sanatorium and military hospital. Built in the late 19th century, it was designed to treat tuberculosis patients in a serene and therapeutic environment, featuring beautiful architecture and lush grounds. However, the hospital's history took a darker turn during the two world wars when it served as a military hospital. Notably, Adolf Hitler himself was treated here for a war wound during World War I. In the aftermath of World War II, the complex fell under Soviet control, and it remained a Soviet military hospital until the early 1990s. 7. Island of the Dolls, Isla de las Muñecas, Mexico. The Island of the Dolls, known as Isla de las Muñecas in Spanish, is a surreal and eerie place located in the canals of Xochimilco, Mexico. It is a small island adorned with hundreds of creepy dolls, hanging from trees, fences, and buildings. The story behind this macabre display is equally unsettling. The legend goes that the caretaker of the island, Don Julian Santana, found a drowned girl's doll floating in the canal. He hung it in a tree as a sign of respect. However, Santana claimed that the doll was possessed by the spirit of the girl, and to appease her restless soul, he began collecting more and more dolls over the years. These dolls, often missing limbs or with decaying features, create a haunting and unsettling atmosphere on the island. 8. Plymouth County Hospital, Massachusetts, USA. Plymouth County Hospital, situated in Massachusetts, USA, is an abandoned medical facility with a dark history that has earned it a reputation for being haunted. Originally established to provide medical care to the community, the hospital's history took a troubling turn with allegations of patient neglect and mistreatment. Over the years, stories emerged of patients enduring harsh conditions, overcrowding, and inadequate care. Reports of unexplained deaths and disturbing occurrences within the hospital's walls have added to its sinister aura. Eventually, the hospital was shuttered, leaving behind a decaying and unsettling structure. 9. The Stanley Hotel, Estes Park, USA. The Stanley Hotel, located in Estes Park, USA, is a historic and picturesque hotel with a dark and mysterious reputation. Built in the early 1900s, the hotel's stunning architecture and scenic mountain backdrop have made it an iconic destination in Colorado. However, it is perhaps best known as the inspiration for Stephen King's novel, The Shining. King stayed at the Stanley Hotel, and the eerie ambience of the hotel reportedly played a significant role in inspiring the haunted Overlook Hotel in his novel. Over the years, the Stanley Hotel has gained notoriety for its purported paranormal activity. Numerous guests and staff have reported ghostly encounters, including sightings of spectral figures and unexplained phenomena. 10. Kolmanskop, Namibia. Kolmanskop, located in the Namib Desert of Namibia, is a captivating and eerie ghost town that was once a thriving diamond mining settlement. During the early 20th century, diamonds were discovered in the area, leading to a boom in diamond mining and the construction of a prosperous town. The architecture of Kolmanskop reflects the German colonial influence of the time, with beautifully designed buildings that stand in stark contrast to the surrounding desert. However, when diamond resources dwindled, the town was gradually abandoned, and the desert sands began to reclaim the structures. Today, the buildings are partially buried in sand, creating a surreal and haunting atmosphere. Kolmanskop has become a popular destination for tourists and photographers seeking to capture its eerie beauty and the juxtaposition of a once thriving town and the relentless desert. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.